1st of July. So right off the bat, Tesla, we got into some puts yesterday on the news that Musk is starting to get, angry with Trump again, and we got three puts, two or three puts. We should have got one more. We only had $400 in that trade. That went up 300% as market open, but down to about 150 by midday. And so we've added to that position today, even though it was double the price. We added two more contracts today, even though it was double the price. Why? Because I think the market is not accounting for Trump and Musk's personality. Musk is a diehard true believer, and I genuinely think that. I don't think he's playing games, although he might be. I think he genuinely is a believer in small government, and he's going to go off and he's going to do something mental. Trump knows that, and he's going to try not to, I guess, provoke him too much. I think definitely Elon has something on him. So, I mean, think of how close they were. All right, so yeah, so again, it didn't collapse like I thought it would. This is a big move back up, um, but we got double top, and then we sold another one. We bought another put here, bought another put here. So we're up to three puts, and the close was important as well. We also saw a shit ton of puts at the end of the day there, a ton coming in. Although we do have a couple calls as well, but mostly puts at the end of the day. Big orders. So TSLA. And some retard bought TSLL puts um, right at close. Oh, but this is a 2x ETF. So he's not a retard. He really thinks it's going down, and I agree. So my position is uh, 1,600, and I still feel it's too small. But I'm so conservative now. All right, so other strategies based on the fact that the bill is going to go through. I shorted Dollar General. That hasn't worked out well. Down $92. For some reason, Quantum is still fucking moving. Palantir's down a lot. I don't know why. But the stocks worked out fine. Geo was up, and more importantly, this debt collector thing worked out really well. So I didn't trade anything in SPY, although the opportunity was right here. The opportunity was right here because we touched the bottom of the tick here, and it just so happened to be at the VWAP slash the 1G. So that's a solid strategy there. So if price gets to VWAP or 1G or any other strong line matched with a tick low high of the day, that is a great reversal point. So that is a solid strategy. You just need to have your limit orders in. I try to, there was some other flow I looked at. I was looking at Twitter for flow news. Maybe I'll start to do that more. Sweet Green had a lot of calls. I didn't do that. Oh, there's one thing I forgot to mention. I am long this motherfucker, STZ. So hopefully this goes all right. They're reporting earnings. I have 150 puts, so hopefully that goes fine. Um, you know, always nerve-wracking. Okay, looks like we're moving up a bit. I would rather not go. So it's moving up. I didn't really do any research on this, just ChatGPT stuff. But yeah, maybe I was a bit conservative there, but that's me. That is me. I'm a conservative guy. Who knows what will happen either. This could come down. So anyway, blah 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 blah. That's it for today. Tomorrow, Wednesday, the last full day before market closed. So I need to do that Trump analysis of his speeches to play that in Cauchy, whatever the fuck, or Polymarket, and also um, keep an eye on this Tesla thing. One big miss today was, well, it's not a miss because I had no idea it was happening, but LVS had a buzzer beater, as it's called, a flow at the end of day, and then it's up 9% today. So that was on news that Macau gambling is better than expected. So a lot of Chinese insider trades going on there. All right, I feel a bit sick now, so I'm going to stop this, have something to eat, and oh, that's bad. Look at this. Ooh, 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 ooh. It's going down. Have something to eat and clean my room a bit. I did PMO today, and then get right back to it. Shower and get right back to it. And I was trying to copy the model of Wolf of Wall Street. They said they do it like twice a day. Anyway, let's see what happens here. Oh no, it's going down. Going down, it's going down. It's going down. It's going back up. Alright, I'm done. Is there anything else in SPY that I should have looked at? It's interesting here, we get a reversal, but the tick is quite high, so I couldn't have played that. I don't know, I didn't even do Gex or Dark Pools today. I woke up like at 9:30. Weird dreams. Really it was this. This was the op. You know, you get a VPA signal as well, so this was it. You play SPX here, 0 DTEs. That's all you need. That's all you motherfucking need, son. That is all you need. Let's check it out. Okay, so here we have, what time is this? 1 p.m., which is interesting. It always happens at 1 p.m. or like a whole numbers. All right, so let's check it out. Let's say SP. Oh, fucking hell. SPX. And then let's do zeros. Let's take a call. So let's say if we were here, we would have done just slightly at the let's just do SPY. 616. 616. Call. Yes. It's interesting how the spread is a lot more after hours. Alright, so let's have it fuck it, I'm tired. 1 p.m., yeah? And that's 100%. Obviously, I'm not going to hold it for that long, but you're going to hold it for 50%, which is still pretty big. You know, you put 1,000 there, that's all you need.